Want to change those essential oils on your shelf into some kissable lips? Then let's make this recipe together. Let's make this Bergamot Kiss Lip Balm so you can have soft, healthy lips that are naturally kissable. Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and creator of the Essential Oil Recipe Box, and I love teaching people how to make stuff using essential oils. Turn off distractions, making is healing, and let's get started. Before I tell you what you need, I just want you to know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it easy to use essential oils. And that's why if you get Simply Earth's Everyday Essentials Recipe Box, everything you need for this recipe is going to be in there. Or you can find the ingredients you need at simplyearth.com. Let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of shea butter, 1 tablespoon of solid coconut oil, a half tablespoon of almond oil, a half teaspoon of beeswax. You're also going to need a 1 ounce container to hold your product in. You can just reuse your shea butter container once you've finished with it. Lip balms are crazy easy to make. All we need to do is melt our ingredients together, add our essential oils, pour it in the jar, and then we're ready to go. So I'm going to be melting my ingredients into this glass container. I can use this container as a double boiler. My half tablespoon of almond oil. And last but not least, a half teaspoon of beeswax. A little tip for you, if you live in a really cold environment, this lip balm is going to end up being a little bit harder just because of ambient temperature. And so if you live somewhere cold, you can go ahead and use a 1/4 teaspoon of beeswax instead of a half teaspoon. This is going to thicken up our lip balm. It's also going to create a protective layer on our lips that's going to help protect them from the outdoor elements. So I'm going to go melt this and then I will add our essential oils. BRB. Now I'm just going to add 2 drops of bergamot essential oil. This smells so good, and if you've used essential oils, you may know that bergamot is naturally phototoxic. That means it makes your skin more sensitive to sunlight. However, we have super diluted it in this recipe and it's really unlikely to have any phototoxic effects. But if you are worried about sun sensitivity with bergamot essential oil, just use a different oil that you love. So now I'm just going to pour my lip balm mixture into my 1 ounce container and let it harden, and this will be plenty of lip balm to last me a long time. Lip balm is really stable, so I don't have to worry about it going bad. And don't forget to label it. Look at that, it's so cute. So now I just need to let it harden. This can take up to an hour, maybe a little bit longer. If you want to save money on ingredients, moisturize lips, and use only natural products, this lip balm is for you. Plus, it'll take you like less than 5 minutes to make. It's so fast and easy, and your lips will thank you. You can make this recipe too. I love to see your creations, so if you follow this tutorial and make this recipe, share a picture on social media and tag From Simply Earth with hashtag I made this. If you want to turn your essential oils into products like this Bergamot Kiss Lip Balm, then make sure you check out our recipe box where we send you the ingredients and recipes to make products just like this.